How to manage multiple accounts in Zoho Mail. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Zoho Mail app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to manage multiple accounts in Zoho Mail, here in this home screen at the top left corner, you can see the 3 lines icon. Tap on it. After that, at the top, you can see the accounts that you are logged in right now. If you tap on the drop down list right beside it, from here you can add multiple accounts over here. You can see this add account option. Tap on it. Now you will be prompted to log into your another accounts. You can add multiple accounts. Once you are logged in, you can come back here and you will see all of your accounts that you are logged in over here. And you can easily switch from one to another by simply tapping on it. So that's how you can easily manage multiple accounts in Zoho Mail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.